Hi there everyone, welcome back. This is Sarah from No Hooks Given, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do this twin clusters stitch. I love cluster stitch. They are just so much fun. They show so much detail. You can just do so many fun projects with them. Dishcloths, hats, scarves, you name it. Anyways, so what we're going to need today is we're going to need a worsted weight 4. Today I'm using Hobby Lobby's I Love This Cotton, and I'm also using a 5mm hook. This twin cluster stitch works in a multiple of 3. So we're going to start with a slip knot. And we're going, I'm going to chain 15. You can chain however much you want, but this is me just showing you how to do the stitch. All right. Now we are going to crochet into the second chain from the hook and repeat that across the row. So if you chained 15 like me, or even if you chained 24, you should have, so if you chain 24, you should have 23, but if you chain 15, you should have 14. All right, now we're going to turn and you're going to chain 4. This is counting as your first stitch, and in our next stitch we are going to do 1 TC, which is 1 twin cluster. So you're going to yarn over, go into the hook, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through those 2, kind of like you're going to make a double crochet. And you're going to do that 2 more times. So you should have 3 on the hook, total 4 loops. You're now going to skip 1 stitch and go and work into the next one. And you're going to repeat that and make 3 more, I guess not half double crochets, but you know, like almost 3 double crochets. Okay, and after you do that, you should see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. You are now going to yarn over and pull through all 7. And you just want to glide it through. And then you're going to chain 2. And right here in the next stitch, you're going to repeat that. So you're going to yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over, and then keep going. So now you should have 3, total 4 loops counting the first one. Skip 1 stitch, and in the next one, we're doing it again. And then once you have those 7 stitches, you're going to yarn over and pull through all 7. There, just pulled off a whole thing of yarn. And then after that, you're going to chain 2. And we're going to repeat that once more. Yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull up a loop, and pull through 2. Skip 1 stitch, and 1 more time. And yarn over, and we're going to pull through all 7. And then you're going to chain 2, Once again, we're almost to the end of the row. Cluster stitches are nice because they really do work up really quickly, and there's just so much detail. We're almost done. Yarn over and pull through all 7. To end the row, you're going to simply chain 1, chain 1, and then you're going to double crochet right in that last stitch. We're going to turn our work. We're now going to chain 1 and we're going to crochet right in our first stitch. You will then crochet in the chain space to help make sure your row is even. Do not single crochet right there, single crochet right there. So now you should have 1, 2, and 3. Then you're going to make 2 single crochets in the chain 2 space. You are skipping that and making sure you're single crocheting right there. 1 more, and then as we see, we're going to make 2 more single crochets, single crocheting in here, doing 2 more single crochets, and then single crocheting right there. To end the row, you're going to single crochet in the chain 1 space and then the top of the chain 3. Our other single crochet took up the chain 4 of that. You will then turn your work, and as you can see, this stitch repeat will have a right side and a wrong side. You'll chain 4, skip the first stitch, go in the next, and make a TC. Skipping 1 stitch, and we will go into the next, making 1 more TC, making 1 more TC, and together the two TCs will make TCS. Yarn over and pull through all 7 and chain 2. And if you like more videos like this, you can subscribe to my blog and my YouTube channel, to where you can see what I do with the stitches on my YouTube channel, and you can see what I do and put them into patterns for use. So thank you so much. I can't wait to have you view my videos again, and thank you and have a great day.